In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a PayPal username. Before we start, a quick note so there's no confusion. PayPal treats your email login as fixed, so you can't change the email address you use to sign in. What you can update is your display name, and the process depends on whether you have a personal or business account and what kind of change you need. First, sign in to paypal.com using a web browser and click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. If your layout looks a little different, that's normal. Just look for account info or personal info. Find your current name and select update or change name to open the name options. For personal accounts, you'll see three paths. If you just need a small correction, I think a typo, a missing accent, or fixing capitalization, choose make a minor correction. You can change up to 2 characters, and you can only do this once per account. Enter the corrected name, check the confirmation box, and click Update Name. If your legal name has changed, pick Change Your Legal Name. Here you'll upload a government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or national ID, and include supporting proof like a marriage certificate or court order. Make sure the documents are clear, uncropped, and that the name matches exactly. If your ID shows a different address, don't worry, that's normal, but the name must align. If you want to use a preferred name or add a name, select Update Your Name. You'll be asked for a photo ID and a secondary document, for example, a recent utility bill. Choose scans or photos with good lighting and no glare to avoid delays. For business accounts, go back to Settings and open Business Information. Click Update next to your business name, then select Edit or Change. Upload the appropriate paperwork. This could be a business license, incorporation documents, or official name change proof. The name you request should match your documents exactly. Submitting as the authorized person on the account helps speed things up. After you submit, PayPal typically reviews name changes within 3 to 5 business days. Keep an eye on your email for approval or for any requests to re-upload documents if something wasn't readable. Once approved, your updated name will appear on receipts and statements. If you run into issues or the change doesn't show after approval, reach out to PayPal support for help. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.